Hi guys, this is Shubham. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Mavic Air 2 and its combo pack. Let's get to the video. So I bought this combo pack of the Mavic Air 2. It comes in two bases. So either you can buy the combo or you can just go with the regular one. The combo comes with more things and at a reduced price because you're buying not just the drone itself, but you're also buying the accessories with it. Later in the video, I will recommend if you should go for the combo or you should just go with the regular one. But let's start with unboxing and see what comes with it. First things first, let's talk about the bag. The bag comes with lots of chains and also the compartments. The compartments, you can use them to store your drone with your batteries and the controller. And then you can also store, for example, your ND filters, any kind of certification that you had to do. For example, in Canada, we had to do a certification to be able to fly it. So moving on to our main thing, the drone itself. So the drone is very compact. As you can see, it's about the size of my palm. Comes with the propellers. So with the combo pack, you'll actually get the actual four set of propellers, but also you have two pairs of extra propellers that you can get with the combo. It also comes with the gimbal guard, so which protects your camera and the gimbal itself. Looking down, if you see, we have the landing sensors, the lights that make sure the lights up. Well, either it could be set up to trigger manually or it could be set up to do an auto landing. So when at the time of landing, it can actually auto start and help you see where the drone is landing. On the back and the front, it has sensors. So this is obstacle detection sensors. It makes sure that you don't slide it into any kind of obstacles when you're flying. So it's a very good help, which doesn't come in Mavic Mini. Also, the battery attachment is very simple. So this is the top battery that gets attached. So this battery is very easy to set in. If you align with the slot and just do a gentle push, and it slides in. So this is now all good to go. This is the top button, which shows, if you press one time, it shows the battery percentage, how much is it charged. But also it is used to actually start the drone. So before you start, make sure that you remove your gimbal guard. So once you remove the gimbal guard, to start the drone, it's super simple. If you do one click here, it shows the battery percentage. And if you click and hold it again, it will start your drone and you're all set to fly. I will cover the basics in another video, but for now, let's move on to the controller. Now the controller is very compact and it's pretty small, small size, so easy to go, but it's still robust and feels sturdy. To get started, you have to take your joysticks out of here and then screw them in. Once you have screwed them in, you can now ready to attach to your phone here. You just have to pull this guy out, make sure your cord is not in the way, and we take our phone and just slide them in. As you can see, this is pretty flexible and it definitely can attach any kind of bigger phone as well, so that should not be a problem. So once we have connected the phone in, we'll go in and attach the actual cord. So now we're good to go. The phone is connected in. This actually, the USB-C that we see here is also charging the phone and not just connecting it for signals. On the controller, you can see the top button here, which is the return to home button, which when you press, the drone will actually come back where you actually started from. This button is where it drives the three modes. So the tripod, normal and sport mode. And on the right side, you see finally the power on and off button. And on the bottom, you notice these are the four bars that display what's the charging level of the controller itself. Moving on, in the bottom, you see these were the joystick pads where we store the joystick itself when we have to pack it up. And also in the middle, we see the USB-C. This is used to charge the controller itself. On behind, you would notice that there's a scroll button, which actually is to move the gimbal up and down. And on the right side, you have either a video start, so it starts and stops the video, or takes the, if it's in the picture mode, it would take the picture. And here in the front, there's a little camera button, which is used to actually switch from either video to photo mode or photo to video mode when you're flying. And lastly, you will notice there's a function button, which you can actually customize it to whatever you would like it to be quick access. So sometimes you could say, set the gimbal to automatically put into down, or it could be to zoom in, and other customizable features, which I'll cover later in the video. So moving on to the next one, which are batteries. So the combo pack comes with 3 batteries. Each one about gives you 25 minutes of flying time. It can vary depending on where you're flying. Is the conditions extreme? Is it a windy day or not? Is it super sunny? It might get super hot if you're flying at high altitudes for a long time. If you buy a regular pack, it would just come with a single battery, but the combo pack actually comes with 3, and this gives you enough flying time for about 70 to 75 minutes in total. So definitely recommend the combo pack if you're going to get the drone, at least in the case of batteries. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one are the ND filters. So the ND filters are extremely helpful when you're flying in super sunny conditions, and it helps the camera to get way better quality that you would likely to expect without any ND filters. It comes with 3 shades. It comes with ND16, ND64, and ND256. So this is a starter pack. It's definitely not the complete offering that the DJI has, but at least it's a good one to start with. And as you see fit, you can also get either from DJI or any other provider more ND filters if you see the need as it evolves. Next, we're going to talk about chargers. So the chargers for the drone, for the combo pack, it comes with a 3 charging plate, which has 3 slots to put your batteries in, and then you can connect the power cable right next to it. The charger also supports with the same one, you can actually has this USB to USB-C input. You can actually connect your controller itself. So while the batteries are charging, you can also charge your controller at the same time. Moving on, something very nice that DJI has actually included in the combo pack is a battery to USB device, which allows you to charge your maybe iPhone on the go, or any of your power banks or anything that you have. You can connect it to this, either charge your batteries from the power bank, or do it vice versa, where you can charge maybe your phone with the DJI drone battery. Moving on to the next one are the extra propellers. These come very handy when you're flying outside and you damage one of your propellers and you need something to change right away. These propellers are there for you and can help you when you need it. Lastly, we are at the cables. The cables that come with the drone pack are either a USB-C to micro USB or USB-C to USB-C for the newer devices to connect. So either you can connect your iPhone or you can connect your Android devices with it. And the last one that it comes with is USB, regular USB to USB-C. This you can use to connect your drone with your laptop when you want to update your firmware. So super important, super handy. So guys, these were all the things that come with your Mavic Air 2 combo pack. Now we're going to talk about which one should you buy and which is best for you. For me, I did not have like a drone before, so this was my first drone that I'm getting. So I did not have a backpack or anything that I could safely carry in. So combo pack was a good choice. It comes with a backpack or that compact bag that you earlier saw. And also it comes with 3 batteries, which give you ample amount of flying time. For sure, 1 battery is definitely not enough because it runs out in 25 minutes. And come on, if you've gone or drove hundreds or 200 kilometers, you don't want to be disappointed if it's 20 or 25 minutes of flying time. So I think definitely combo pack is the choice that I would recommend if you're first time buying it, and also you don't have a bag, and you love flying the drone, or you want to get into it. So definitely you want ample battery in your backpack when you're traveling outside. If you like the video, don't forget to like this in the bottom, and also leave a comment of what you would like to see next, and to keep getting more drone videos, subscribe this video, or subscribe this channel rather, and hit the bell notification button so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks again. Have a good day. See ya.